If you are trying to use the squad finder in NBA 2K26, here's exactly how it works. The squad finder is really helpful feature that lets you automatically team up with other players. Even if you don't already have friends online or a full squad to run with, it matches you based on your preferences, things like playstyle, mic status and performance rating. To start, go to the park area in the city. Depending on which season you are in, your layout might look a little different, but just head to the top section where you will see the squad finder option. Select find a squad and from there you will be able to customize your settings. You can pick your preferred mode, for example park mode if that's where you are currently at. You can also choose your squad size, playstyle, whether casual, fundamental, flashy or competitive. Then we have microphone status, rating range and even performance tier to match with players who suit your style. Once everything's set, press start search and the game will begin finding teammates for you. You'll see a status message like squad match complete once it's done. After that, your new squad members will appear right on your screen and you can start playing together immediately. If you ever wanna go back out or change your preferences, you can easily leave and restart your search, and that's how you use the squad finder feature in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.